name is Dr. Max Greig. I'm an orthopedic surgeon in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. I have been an orthopedic surgeon for the last 25 years and have treated a lot of Canadians and Americans that come down here for their back problems, knees, hips, shoulders, and so on. So one of the most common problems people are suffering are from lower back issues. As you remember, we have the lumbar section, the thoracic section, and the cervical section. So one of the most common problems is when the disc has shifted and is pushing against the spinal cord. Anything that goes against the spinal cord or against any of the nerves that come out of your back will cause pain down your legs. So as you can see here, you can see how a disc has been pushing back towards the spinal cord, or even a disc pushing to one side. The other most common problem we find in the backs is spinal stenosis, when there's bone spurs growing where the nerves come out through the foramen. So whatever back problems you may have, think of us, we can take care of you.